Hi everyone, welcome to DNE's Edu Corner and welcome to our tutorial about solving for the zeros of quadratic functions. By definition, kapag ang point ay nasa x-axis, automatic ang value ng y-coordinate is equal to 0. Okay? Therefore, para makuha ang roots ng isang quadratic function, we have to set f of x equal to 0. Okay, for us to solve the equation. Here's our example. Find the zeros of the quadratic function f of x is equal to x squared plus 3x plus 2. So, kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina, since ang hinahanap natin dito ay zeros ng quadratic function, ibig sabihin yung points na nasa x-axis, gawin muna nating 0 itong f of x or yung y. Okay? So, gawin nating 0 yan. And pwede natin itong baliktarin using symmetric property. So, we have x squared plus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay? So, again, ginawa lang nating 0 yung y or yung f of x kanina. Okay? So, from here, maaari na nating isolve yung quadratic equation. Kagaya ng mga nauna nating lessons, maaari tayong gumamit ng iba't ibang method. We can use factoring, completing the square, o kaya naman ay the quadratic formula. But this time, let's just use factoring method. Now, let's think of factors of 2 na kapag pinag-add natin, ang magiging sagot ay positive 3. So, what are those numbers? We have 2 and 1. That's correct. Okay? 2 times 1, we have positive 2. And then 2 plus 1, positive 3. Okay? So, yun yung nag-satisfy sa ating hinahanap na condition. Now, gawin nating factored form ang ating quadratic equation. We now have quantity x plus 2 times the quantity x plus 1 is equal to 0. So, kinuha natin yung 2 and 1, ginamit natin sa factors ng ating quadratic equation. Okay? Next, we have to solve for x. So, to solve for x, we're going to use the zero product property. So, equate natin si x plus 2 sa 0. Ganon din yung x plus 1, equate natin sa 0. Now, let's use the addition property of equality. So, kailangan x lamang yung maiwan dito sa side na ito. So, mag-add tayo both sides ng negative 2. Additive inverse ng positive 2. So, mag-add tayo both sides ng negative 2. This will become 0. Positive 2 minus 2, that's 0. So, may iwan yung x. Sa kabilang side naman, 0 minus 2, we have negative 2. Now, we have x plus 1 is equal to 0. Kailangan x lang maiwan sa left side. Again, using addition property of equality. So, mag-add tayo both sides ng negative 1. Okay? So, magiging positive 1 minus 1. This is 0. Maiiwan yung x. Sa kabilang side, nag-add tayo ng negative 1 din. So, 0 minus 1, we have negative 1. So, those are the roots of our quadratic function or yung zeros ng ating quadratic function. Now, let us observe the graph of this quadratic function. Tingnan natin. Okay? So, this is the graph of f of x is equal to x squared plus 3x plus 2. So, kung mapapansin natin, ang points na nandito sa x-axis ay yung nakuha natin na values kanina. Okay? So, dito we have this intercept. We have x-intercept which is negative 1, 0. Yung kabila naman, we have negative 2, 0. So, those are the values of x na nakuha natin kanina. And yung value ng y dito sa bawat point na ito ay 0. That's it for our tutorial. Thank you so much for watching and we hope that you subscribe to our channel for more tutorials.